Hello friends, today's topic is Swift's Playground. So this is the playground app and let's start with the puzzles in it. So this is how the puzzle will look like. The puzzle has got 3 parts: the stage, the instructions and the workspace. Let me explain you the stage. In the stage, we get our picture so that we can see what commands do we have to put. Our character Byte needs to go and collect the gem. If we click on Byte, he'll go and we'll get 2 new characters. Let's choose Byte. Next we have the instructions that tell us what commands do we have to put. Next we have the instructions that tell us what and how we have to do our coding. In the workspace, we need to code and get Byte to the gem. These are our commands that we'll get for coding. If we put the move forward command, Byte will move forward. If we add another, it will go one more step forward. And as more as we add, the more Byte will go forward. And then if we put collect gem, Byte will collect the gem. Let's see if you have done correct. Congratulations! We did it! In my next video, I will be coming up with more Swift puzzles. Thank you!